Hello and welcome to the JBL booth at CES 2020. My name's Damon Johnson, Global Category Director for JBL headphones. This week, we have a major celebration going on. JBL has just sold its 100th million headphone to date. This puts us into the big leagues of headphone suppliers, and we are making one very happy JBL headphone owner every single second across the planet. Today, we're really excited to announce the launch of the JBL Club range. The Club range is special because it's the first range we've made in collaboration with actual touring musicians. We've worked with 7 of the best DJs around the world, including Armin van Buuren, to create what we feel is the best headphone on the planet. The motivation for building the Club range, which is our flagship within the JBL range, was really to marry studio quality audio with the lifestyle features like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and active noise cancellation all into one beautiful package, and we know we've achieved it with the Club. Of course, first and foremost for JBL is going to be sound quality. Sound quality on the JBL One is made possible by a proprietary driver, a driver we've never used before. This driver is 40 millimeters, coated with a special material called graphene. Graphene allows us to more accurately tune the headphone and makes the tuning more consistent. So every single JBL user will be hearing the legendary JBL Pro audio sound signature. Next, the active noise cancellation on the Club One is phenomenal. We're using a new technology called True Adaptive Noise Cancellation. True Adaptive continually monitors both exterior and interior ambient noises up to 50,000 times per second to deliver the best possible noise cancellation in that specific moment. The headphones are also equipped with the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, so you can query when your next meeting is, change to the next track, get directions to your next meeting. Special attention has been paid to the CMF and build quality of the Club One headphone. We're using a full leather headband, full metal hinges and slider, all aluminum ear cups here, and full premium memory foam ear cushions. Audio on the Club One is enabled via Bluetooth 5.0 or via the dual input jack, so you can select and lock in an auxiliary cable. The accessory package on the Club One includes a spiraled audio cable, a straight audio cable with remote mic, and a flight adapter for those long haul flights. Onboard functionality, you've got your power button up top, Bluetooth connectivity, and a special ambient aware button that can be pre-programmed in the My JBL Headphones app. You've got volume up and down on the right ear cushion, along with your play pause button as well. The Club One features a 45-hour battery life and is charged via USB-C. Something really special about the entire Club range is the compatibility with our My JBL Headphones app. We're introducing a new technology here at CES called Personify. What Personify does is it customizes every headphone individual to that user. Through the headphone, you will take a quick listening test, answer 4 short questions, and a personalized frequency response will be generated exclusive to you, burned into the headphones, so you will always have the perfect JBL curve in the Club range. The Club range consists of 3 individual models, starting at the Club 700, which will retail at €149, stepping up to an over-ear noise cancellation, the Club 950 at €249, and then the flagship Club One, which will retail at €349. Thanks for watching.